What I'm going to show you now is how to make a frame. This is going to be a super frame, and the bits you'll need are the top bar, 2 side bars and the 2 bottom ends. You'll also require some nails, a hammer and of course the wax foundations. And I also like to use a sharp knife as well. So let's see how it's done. First we have to deal with the top bar. It's got a section here which is only just held on, so what we need to do is to remove it, and this is where I tend to use a knife, run it down the groove at the top and it should come away. The next thing is to put on the 2 side bars. Here they are. Note that each sidebar has got a groove running down one side. You need to ensure that those grooves are on the inside, because that is where the foundation will slip down. So insert 1, 2, the grooves are on the inside, and then just knock it home. Now you have to fix the side frames on. So what you need to do is get some nails and put one in here and one here, and the chamfered edge goes in at an angle, and you do the same on this side. Another one here and another one here. Let's take a close look at that. So one nail goes in here. I tend to use a board like this so that it can hang over the edge down here and not rock about. So nail goes in here. And then another one in here. And you do exactly the same on the other side. So here are the 2 sides all nailed up. We now need to put the 2 bottom rails. So you put one like thus, and one in there. Give it a tap down if it needs it. And then the second one there. And again a tap down if needed. Make sure the ends are flush. And then you need to put nails in here, here, here and here. Okay. So we need to put a nail in carefully so it goes straight down. Just check that it's not going into the groove, because if it goes into the groove you won't be able to get the foundation down. So you need to do a nail there to hold that bar in, another one there, another one there and another one there. Next you need to get your sheet of foundation, and you'll note that it's got wires in it, and in this edge here it's got 1, 2, 3 little peaks, and on this one it's only got 1 and 2. With the 3 little peaks, they go down like this. You slide it between the 2 top bars, and it should then go down the grooves. And what you need to do now is bend these wires at right angles, and you bend them in the direction where you took off that piece of wood. So this will be able to slot down like that. Finally, you need to replace the piece of wood that you took off the top bar in the same way that it came off. You put it down there, so you sandwich those pieces of wire that you bent in between the wood, and then you nail it here, here and here, trying to get the nails in between the wires. So there, there and there. So nail 1, nail 2, and nail 3. That makes 11 nails in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The BBKA prescribed number of nails.